Good morning, children. Now, let us start with the second exercise concept. First exercise, only by using trigonometry fundamental formula, that the identities you want to prove LHS problem. That problem, all the problems already over. Now, next concept, trigonometry, heights and distance. Heights and distance. First one is the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is an angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal, and the point being viewed is above the horizontal line. Here, one object is there, you are standing here. Here, observe the object from here to here. That is what this is called angle of elevation. That is the case when we raise our head to look at the object. Actually, our eyesight is always straight actually. Am I right? Your eye is above, that is what? Angle of elevation. Suppose below, that is called angle of depression. This is the concept. Then angle of depression is what? The angle of depression is angle formed with the line of sight with the horizontal, when the point is below the horizontal level. That is the case when we lower our head to look at the point being viewed. Here you are standing here, one object is there, your eyesight is below the horizontal level. That means what? This is called angle of depression. Always our eyesight is same line only. That is what? Pair to the ground only. Your eyesight is above me, angle of elevation. Below me, angle of depression. This is the concept. Some of the objects below, some are above. That's why depends upon this idea, the angle of elevation of the first idea, we have only one angle means maybe two angles. Sometimes two angles are given. That is very important. Anyway, previous idea only. In the right arm, this is called right angle triangle. This is called this right angle triangle. This is actually straight line. This is called right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, this is the angle, this is opposite. This hypotenuse is that. Tan is what is the formula? Opposite base. Sin is what is the formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is equal to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. You must know this formula also. And also, by trigonometry names, sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, sin 60, cos 60, tan 60. In this way, you must know that idea also. Here, this is a 90. Am I right? Angle of elevation and depression. This is a small idea. By using this idea, remaining exercise. Now listen here. Example 6.19. Important question. Page number 253. Refer the book in the question. The question is, a tower stands vertically on the ground. This is the ground. This is the ground. Am I right? This is a tower. This is a tower. The tower, ground, tower, landing. The tower is always vertical to the ground, always. A tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground, which is 48 meters away. This is 48 meters away from the foot of the tower. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. The tower is fixed. This is the question. From the question, read the question clearly. From the data, first draw the diagram. That's very important. Once again, read the question. A tower stands vertically on the ground. From the point on the ground, which is 48 meters away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation on the top of the tower, 30 degree. Find the height. Let it be A, B, C. Am I right? What is given? Given AB equal to 48 meters. Let BC equal to H be the height of the tower. Am I right? That is. Now, this is given, this is asking. What about this one? This is not given, not asking. But this is called angle, you know. The angle opposite is what? This is called opposite side. Am I right? This is height. Am I right? This is hypotenuse. Opposite is asking. Hypotenuse is given. What about hypotenuse? Hypotenuse not given, not asking. Opposite is asking. Edge is given, edge is given. Now, in a right angle triangle, in a right triangle ABC, by using the formula, either by using sine formula, cos formula, tan formula, but here opposite is asking, edge is given. Therefore, by using the formula involving opposite and edge, only tan formula. Tan is what is the formula? Opposite by edge. But tan, theta can be opposite is what? H. Edge is what? 48. Tan is what? 1 by root 3. Am I right? Cross multiply. H is equal to 48 by root 3 equal to H. This came as 48 by root 3. Multiply by root 3 divided by root 3. 48 root 3 is numerator. Root 3 root 3 only 3. Cancel. 16 root 3 meter is the height of the tower. Therefore, you cannot use sine formula, cos formula. What is the sine? Sine formula is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse not given. Cos theta what is the formula? H by hypotenuse. H given. But opposite is hypotenuse not given. But tan theta formula is opposite by H. Opposite asking. Hypotenuse given. That's why I am using tan formula. But depends upon the diagram. You may use sine formula, cos formula, tan formula. That's very important. This type of very important 2 mark question. They need not put the value for 2 3. Only 2 mark no. Suppose 5 mark question, put the root 3 value also. Root 3 value then multiply 16. But here 2 mark is enough. Our height of the tower is 16 root 3 meter is the answer. I mean, this type of question very, very important for 2 mark question. Only one answer given. Read the question clearly. From the question, draw the diagram. From the diagram, you may use the formula tan theta formula. Substitute the value, simply get the answer. 2 mark. Next question. A height is flying at a height of 75 meters above the ground. This is the ground. Am I right? Ground. A height is flying at the height of 75 meters above the ground. 75 meters above the ground. This is the height. This is the height. Height of the position. The position of height is here. Am I right? Now, the string attached to the height temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is, the string with the ground is what? 60 degrees. Am I right? Now this is always 90. Am I right? Now, what is asking? Length of the string is asking. This is asking. Let it be H. Am I right? As usual, A, B, C. Am I right? Let C be the position of the height. Then BC equal to 75 meter. Then what is asking? Let C AC equal to H be the length of the string. Now, as usual, in a right triangle ABC, am I right? Right triangle, this is called opposite. Already told you, opposite. This is hypotenuse. Now, opposite is given, 70 meter. The height is asking. Hypotenuse asking. What formula is here? Sine formula only. Opposite by hypotenuse. But depends upon the diagram, you may use the formula. This is called adjacent. The adjacent not given, not asking. That's why sine theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. For sine 60 equal to Opposite is 75. Hypotenuse is what? Now this is what? Sin 60 root 3 by 2 equal to 75 by x. Cross product x is equal to 75 into 2 by root 3. Am I right? Here 150 by root 3 multiplied by root 3 divided by root 3. 150 root 3 here. Here only 3. Cancel 50 times. 50 root 3 meter is the length of the string. That is the answer. Unknown quantity, no. Or otherwise, height means h. This is length, it means x. You will put in some h is x. Then only easy for you. X or h, no problem. But height means h, otherwise x. Am I right? Here x is our observation. Length of the string. What is the answer? 50 root 3. But length of the string is 50 root 3 meter. That is the answer. Anyway, once again, the same method, previous method only. From the question, read the question clearly, draw the diagram. From the diagram, you may use the sin formula, or cos formula, or tan formula. Then simply we get the answer. That's all. Now exercise 6.2, page 257. The previous model. Find the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point on the ground. Here what is asking? Top of the point from the point. The point is there, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower, this tower. The height is already given 10 to 3. Then what is asking here? The angle theta is asking. That's all. From the question, read the question. Find the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point on the ground point, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower, and the height is 10 to 3. This circle 90. This opposite side and C. As usual, A, B, C. Given BC equal to 10 degree. This is the height of the tower. Height of the tower. And AB equal to what? 30 meter. That's all. Now in a right angle triangle, ABC, here opposite given, edge given. Hypotenuse not asking. Therefore tan theta formula. Opposite by edge. For tan theta equal to opposite 10 to 3 by 30. Am I correct? 1 time, 3 times. Again, tan theta equal to root 3 by 3. We want theta, that's why root 3 by this 3 can be root 3 root 3. 1 root 3 cancel. Am I right? 1 by root 3. But tan theta equal to 1 by root 3 can be written as tan 30 degree. Because what is the reason? Tan of which angle is equal to 1 by root 3? Tan of 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. What is the reason? Tan cancel, only theta equal to 30 degree. This is answer. Because angle of elevation only asking. That is answer. Angle only asking. This problem angle is given. Height asking. But if height is given, angle is asking. Anyway, both are same method. Refer the question in the book. Read the question clearly. From the question, draw the diagram. It's very important. After draw the diagram, the answer is easy. Because all the problems same method. The only one angle will mean all the problems are same method. Draw the diagram. Depends upon the diagram. You may use sin formula or cos formula or tan formula. Only 3 formula. That's all. Listen here. The next question. Exercise 6.2, page 257, second question. Read the question clearly. A road is planned on either side by continuous rows of a house of 8 foot 3 centimeter. This is the road. This is the width of the road. In the road, this side and opposite, can you, so many rows are there. The houses are there. The height is 4 to 3 meters. This is also 4 meters. This is the median. Median is divider actually in between. Automatically length will be equal. This median length will be equal. One man standing here in the median, the angle of elevation of the house is 30 degrees given. Am I right? Find the width of the road. 2x is asking. Width of the road means from here to here. Am I right? Here A, suppose A, and the ABC. I choose ABC. Okay, suppose here D, suppose. Therefore, BD equal to 2x be the width of the road. Width of the road. V1, 2x. First find in the triangle ABC, you will find x multiplied to what is called width of the road. Then BC equal to 4 3 meter, the height of the house. Previous area, in a right triangle, it's triangle ABC. This is angle. The opposite is what? 4 to 3. This is addition. Opposite but tangent. Opposite by addition. A tan 30 degree equal to opposite is 4 to 3 by 6. What is the value for tan 30? 1 by root 3 equal to 4 root 3 x. We want x. Cross multiply into root 3. 4 into root 3 into 3 only 3. This is x. What is asking? Width of the road only asking. Width of the road is asking. That is what? 2x. 2 into 12. So 24 meters is the width of the road. That is the answer. Anyway, previous idea only. But from the question, read the question clearly, draw the diagram. That's very important. Then only we get the answer. This is only one angle given. Already you know, the only one angle given means you got 2 more question. Maybe 2 angles are given, it is 5 angles. In trigonometry, the 2 remaining 3 axes are there. All the axes are the same concept. 1 angle given means, if it is 1 angle given means 2 more question. 2 angles are given means 5 more question. That's all. Now example 6.26, page number 258. A player sitting on the top of the tower. This is a tower. A player sitting on the top of the tower. This is a tower. Am I right? Now 20 meter observe. Tower of height 20 meter. This is 20 meter. Observe the angle of depression. From top of the angle of depression. The ball lying on the ground is 60 degree. From here to here, 60 degree. Am I right? From here to here, or here to here, both the same. That's important. Your place standing here, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Otherwise, you play here, the angle of depression of 60 degree. All both the same. Now what is happening? Distance between the foot of the tower and the ball is asking. This is asking. The distance is asking. Am I right? Let what is given? Given BC equal to 20 meter. That's all. Then AB equal to x be the distance between foot of the tower and a ball. And here the position of the ball. That is asking. Am I right? Under the ball. In a right angle triangle. In a right triangle ABC. Again, the opposite 20 is given and x is asking. Tan formula only. by that is the formula. Now substitute tan 60 is equal to 20 opposite is x. The value function is what? Root 3. We want x. 20 by root 3. Did I have root 3? No. What can root 3 be root 3? So 20 root 3 by 3 is the answer. But this particular problem, put the value for root 3, then simply the negative answer. Otherwise, this is the answer. That's all. Meter. This is the answer. That's all. Alright, what do you know? In 3 mark question, don't put the value for root 3. If it is 5 mark question, you put the value for root 3. That's the bottom. When you read the question, the same method only. Now, we have 3 exercises. Second exercise, third exercise, fourth exercise. These 3 exercises are all is only by using the idea of elevation and depression. One exercise elevation, one exercise depression, another one is combined together. But anyway, if it is one angle given me, whether it is angle of elevation, if it is angle of depression, both are same. That's why you want to complete all the problem involving only one angle. Afterwards, I will complete 2 angles. Anyway, one more problem is there. Totally we have only 6 problems for the angle involving only one angle. One angle involving means we have only 6 formulas, 6 problems. Out of 6 problems, definitely 2 mark will come. In trigonometry, 2 mark will come. From the first exercise, 1 question will come. From the remaining exercise, 1 question will come. But definitely, the only one angle involving problem, we have only 6 problems. Out of 6 problems, you may expect 1 problem, 2 mark question. Exercise 6.3, page 261. From the top of the rock, first question, is a ground, is a rock. For top of the rock, 50 root 3 meter high, then angle of depression of the car on the ground, this is a ground. Here position of the car, this is a 30 degree. What is our name? Distance between a car and from the rock. The rock is asking. This is asking. Let me guess. 3 seconds. Am I right? Given B is equal to what? 50 root 3. The height of the rock. Let A be equal to X is the distance between a car and the rock. Am I right? In a right triangle ABC. Here also opposite is given at this aspect. The hypotenuse is not asking, but tan comma D. Tan 30 opposite 50 root 3 by x. Am I right? Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to 50 root 3 by x. We want x. 50 root 3 is there. Into root 3. 50 root 3 over only 3. 150 meter is the answer. I completed all the 6 problems. It will be exercise example. Definitely, out of 6 problems, 1 question will come. Thorough.